You are now watching Doorbell News.
Portsmouth, Virginia. Check this guy out. Looks like he just broke into someone's house. Las Vegas, Nevada. A female porch pirate is seen snooping inside someone's window. The homeowner thinks she's casing the house out. Yeah, get lost with your Guns N' Roses shirt. Milwaukee, Wisconsin. This is why you gotta keep your doors locked, and that includes your cars, because creeps love stealing stuff out of your car. And don't leave nothing valuable inside, like a laptop or anything that you don't want to lose. Yeah, get lost. Salt Lake City, Utah. I don't know what this guy wants. Looks like he's a neighbor in the building. He's going around wiggling doorknobs. Yeah, we got your face, buddy. Yeah, looks like he's looking for food or something. Portsmouth, Virginia. Check this guy out. He tries to steal his homeowner's barbecue, but he gets caught. Listen to how he tries to sneak his way out of being caught.
Would you like to sell that?
I'm sorry?
I was trying to see if you want your grass cut.
Oh no, thank you.
Okay, I'm gonna sit this back up there. I bumped into, I'm gonna spell off on me. My leg, my turn, so I'm put back up here.
Yeah, whatever. You almost slipped and fell. Yeah, get lost.
I tripped. I shoestring. That's what made me almost trip. My shoestring.
Whatever you say, scumbag. Nashville, Tennessee. Make sure those doors are locked. You know these guys love wiggling the doorknobs. Gotta make sure you're safe. Always keep those doors locked. Los Angeles, California. You're not gonna believe what happens to the mailman. A mailman is seen delivering mail. Two assailants walk up to him, one with a red hoodie. They brandish a pistol on him and demand the keys to his mail truck. They take his keys and run off. The mailman appears to be unbothered by it. Just another day as a mailman in the rough streets of Los Angeles. He continues his delivery route like nothing ever happened. Vallejo, California. A stolen van crashes into a house. An officer is seen chasing the suspect, but he gets away. What a bad way to wake up. You see a car halfway crash into your garage door because of some creep. Fairfield, California. Look at this guy. He tries to move the camera, but we already got your face on camera, buddy. Yeah, get lost. Vallejo, California. Look at this female mail thief. Looks like she's trying to find some cash or do some identity theft or something. She goes goes for everything. She believes puts her little nose all the way in the mailbox and she walks off. Get lost. If I ever catch you over here again. Meanwhile, in Portsmouth, yeah, this guy's trying to take everything out of this person's house. Looks like there's an abandoned house across the street, so the neighbors don't even notice him. It appears to be about 1:30 a.m. at nighttime. The homeowner must be out of town or something. Looks like he's still in a weed whacker or something. Miami, Florida. A female driver crashes into someone's house. Her boyfriend appears to take the wheel. They obviously can't drive because they're in an Altima and the bumper is mismatched from the color of the car. Looks like they go around crashing into people all the time. Instead of reporting the accident, they just back up like nothing ever happened with no regard to the homeowner or the homeowner's property. This makes me sick. Philadelphia, Pennsylvania.
Sure, there you go. Good. I gave it to a mailman and he said it wasn't his job.
Oh, you're the... Okay, you're...
Yeah, I'm from the wrong address. And I saw the mailman and
Let me check the...
It should be...
Give the...
Not everybody's a creep. A kind neighbor returns a package to his neighbor. Apparently, the package was delivered to the wrong address.
Yeah, this is exactly the right one. Yeah.
Great.
Hope they didn't put the wrong address. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Take care.
Good.
This is what you expect from a neighbor. There's still some good people out there in the world. Meanwhile, in Portsmouth, he's back, and he's here to finish the job. Looks like he stole more tools out of the house. He's really cleaning up on this job. This guy has so much stuff, he can't even ride off on his red bike. He's all out of balance. He got stolen stuff in the right hand, stolen stuff on the left hand, a big old book bag, stuff. He's leaning this way, he's leaning the right way. He can't even ride his little bike. Yeah. Look at this guy. Portland, Oregon.
This ain't the ghetto. I'm looking
Hi,
for kids.
you are currently being recorded.
Kids, please, come out, please.
Some people just want to mess your stuff up. This female porch buyer just comes up to someone's house, turns the water on full blast, and just walks off. Yeah, don't even try to figure it out. Just realize some people just want to mess your stuff up. Hopefully the homeowner wasn't out of town, because this could easily turn into a large neighborhood flooding. Yeah, this could mess up the foundation of your house and everything. They got locks that you can buy to put on your water faucet so that this kind of thing doesn't happen to you. Yeah, some people just want to mess your stuff up. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.